everyone, welcome to our channel. Are you guys bored of lengthy cooking procedures? Here is a solution. We are going to review today an air fryer from Cosori with which you can cook healthy, delicious and easy recipes. Before we proceed further, do not forget to like and subscribe and select the bell icon and press all for more upcoming videos. Let's see some of the advantages of Cosori Air Fryer. It requires less or no oil to cook or fry foods. Hence, the food becomes healthier. It takes very less time to cook and you can prepare a meal within minutes. It comes with a feature of soft touch control panel and it can be operated with the mobile app from anywhere. The basket is dishwasher safe and it takes very less time to clean. Before you start using the Cosori Air Fryer, do not forget to remove the packaging from it, including any temporary stickers, which can be found on top of the air fryer, on the front part of the air fryer, that is on the control panel, and also it can be found in the basket. This is the air inlet part. Always keep the air fryer on a stable position and do not block the air inlet by placing any item on top of the air fryer. It's a hot steam outlet. To prevent any kind of damage, keep this area away from walls or cupboards. This air fryer comes with a standard power cord. What are we waiting for? Let's try it. This is the basket handle with which we can remove the inner and outer baskets from the air fryer. It has got a sliding button guard which protects the release button from being pressed accidentally. This is the release button with which we can separate the inner basket from the outer basket. These both baskets comes with non-stick coating. It's a power button. This is a control panel to operate the whole air fryer. When it's turned on, we can see a default temperature and time set, which we can adjust according to our requirement. Let's try an example. If you click the chicken button, display will show you default temperature and time. Just click this temperature and time button and we can increase or decrease the temperature accordingly from 170 to 400 degree Fahrenheit by using minus and plus button. Similarly, you can adjust the time by tapping on the temperature and time button, and once it starts blinking, you can adjust the time from 1 to 60 minutes. You can increase the time by 1 minute with every single tap. Also, you can jump to 5 minutes duration by holding the minus and plus button and click the start and pause button to continue. Control panel gives direct access to cook most of the foods that we have on a daily basis. Steak, fish, bacon, shrimps, chicken. Each food has its own temperature and time set. This air fryer also provides you with a preheat option. On the right hand side, the control panel gives us a choice to cook certain foods like frozen foods, vegetables, bread, desserts, root vegetables like carrots and potatoes, and everybody's favorite, French fries. It also comes with another option of keeping the food warm. Let's have a glimpse of certain foods which I have cooked personally using Cosori Air Fryer. Place the chicken in the inner basket and close it properly. Turn on the air fryer. Press the dedicated button to choose the chicken. Just press the start button. Wow! Our healthy and delicious chicken is ready. I haven't even used a single drop of oil. Similarly, I have tried with salmon without any oil. And as you can see, it turned out to be delicious. The final recipe for my today's video is, guess what? French fries. For some food, the Cosori Air Fryer will give you a popper to shake or flip the food. Just follow the instructions as displayed. Crispy French fries are ready. The inner and outer baskets are dishwasher safe. It's easy to clean. It can be cleaned under running water or using a damp cloth. Awesome! What a great way to cook healthy food. The new Cosori Air Fryer comes with Wi-Fi connectivity. We can control entire air fryer with mobile application. Some of us may think, oh, what's the big deal in that? Trust me, it has proven a great help to me. If you don't want to spend extra time to cook, after reaching home, you can marinate the food and keep it in the air fryer basket. You can start cooking before you reach home through mobile app. It will show you an exact time when the food will be ready. We need to download an app called Vsync to operate this air fryer through Wi-Fi. You can go to the Apple Store or Play Store to directly download the app, or you can just scan the barcode as shown in the Quick Start guide. If you are a first-time user, you need to sign up with the app. After logged into Vsync, go to My Home, tap on plus button to add your first device. Tap on Small Kitchen Appliances and choose Cosori Smart Air Fryer. Click on Next. Tap on Enable Location. Allow Vsync to access your device location. The next page will ask you to choose the Wi-Fi connection where you want to link your air fryer. Once you select the Wi-Fi, enter your Wi-Fi password. On the next page, tap on Go to Wi-Fi settings. Coming back to the Cosori Air Fryer, just unplug the power cord for 2 seconds, then plug it back. Now, hold the air fryer power button for 5 seconds until you hear the beep sound and the Wi-Fi starts blinking. Coming back to the mobile screen, you can see Cosori Air Fryer on your Wi-Fi settings. Just click on it. Now, open the Vsync app. Here you can see the Cosori Air Fryer is connected with Wi-Fi. Here in the device setting, you can change the name of the air fryer, customize icon, allow notification, can change temperature unit, degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. Also, you can share the device with your friends and family. Here, you can add a shortcut to home screen. This app comes with a various recipe menu. When you click on one of your chosen recipe, you will get all the ingredients, the directions, everything. At the bottom line, you just have to click cook this recipe and it will take you to a page where you can see the preheat option, temperature settings, time settings, etc. You can either press cook now and start cooking or delay start up to 4 hours by clicking on delay start. This app gives you an option to save your favorite recipes for future use. And you can also create your own recipe along with temperature, time settings, ingredients required, preparation duration, along with the photographs. In this app, you can check the cooking history also. All the available keys on the control panel of the air fryer can be found here in the mobile app also. Enjoy your every meal with Cosori Air Fryer and stay healthy. Do not forget to like and subscribe.